Welcome back, I'm Kai. Today we are covering how to use Cinema Studio for ad creation. I will also provide the exact prompts required for your image and video generation workflows. First, you will see the dashboard where you can access your creations and projects. This is the workspace where I generated the intro. Here, you can configure camera settings, including lens and focal length. While I have provided my presets, I recommend testing and comparing the settings manually for optimal results. Let's outline the steps quickly before generating a live example. The first step is to generate images from multiple directions. I will provide the prompts, though you are free to use any AI tool you prefer. For this workflow, I use Gemini to define the camera angles and AI Studio to configure the specific lenses for each angle. Once the images are generated, we proceed to video generation. While using only a start frame allows for defining specific movements, we are prioritizing smooth transitions. Therefore, we will sacrifice movement definition and use both start and end frames. This process is highly cost-effective, consuming only 5 credits for a 5-second video. Let's begin a creation. First, generate a new project. You can rename it by right-clicking. The control settings allow you to use reference images, adjust motion blur, or define camera movement. This provides extensive control while maintaining low costs and high quality. Note that while you can combine a start frame with these controls, control definitions are disabled when using both start and end frames. Finally, the image section contains specific settings like camera lens, focal length, and aperture. I strongly recommend testing these manually. To start, I need reference images. I'm making a car ad, so I'll look for those. You usually need 3 images: the front, side, and back. But it depends on the car. If it's symmetrical and has a simple design, you might not need all 3. First, we pick the lens and camera. Then, we import the image and the prompt from Gemini. This lets us build the images step by step. You may wonder about the impact of different lenses. While the choice depends on your specific narrative, I will demonstrate a single fantasy creation using various lens and focal length configurations to highlight the differences. Some of these lenses, like spherical or anamorphic shots, can make your scenes look amazing. You might think you don't need them, but they can make a huge difference. In the lens menu, there are hints to help you choose between digital, film, or spherical options. You can try those out, but now let's get back to our project. So, we were just at the stage of adding our reference images and then inputting the prompt we got from Gemini. This ensures the AI has both the visual context and the descriptive instructions it needs to stay on track. Now that the images are done, you can choose one or use both. I used the same prompt and camera settings I gave you. Feel free to change them and use them any way you want. To make the video, we need to add one more scene. We will use a start image and an end image to generate the video and keep the movement smooth. It's all very simple. I'm going to make a scene that moves from the back of the car to the tire. I'm showing this because this transition is usually hard to get right, so you might need to try it a few times. Now that all the images are ready, we can move on to the next stage. Keep in mind that you can generate more than 2 options for each scene or simply delete the ones you don't like. I'm just using these as an example to show you the workflow, so feel free to take it in your own direction. Contrary to popular belief, video generation is the simplest phase if you follow this workflow. Start by configuring the AI to generate detailed transition prompts based on your uploaded images. Ensure the AI is set to output text only, no image or video rendering at this stage. This precision ensures that all technical details are preserved before the final generation process begins. Make sure to copy the prompt and save it. We will need it for the next step. With prompts and images prepared, we begin video generation. Select your start image and end image. In this case, a front view transitioning to a wheel close-up. No further manual adjustments are required as the AI handles the interpolation. Utilizing an end frame ensures continuity, allowing you to swap it into the start frame position for the next scene in the sequence. For advanced motion effects, I recommend using a speed ramp during post-production. Well, look at what we've got. The videos are finally ready. As I mentioned earlier, this specific transition is one of the hardest to pull off, so you should expect the AI to make a few mistakes. Luckily, Cinema Studio is very cost-efficient, so if a generation fails, just try it again. As you can see, one of my videos turned out great, but the other isn't even close to being acceptable. We'll simply remove the bad one to keep our workspace clean and perfect. Let's review my other projects, all of which were generated using this workflow. This is a highly reliable methodology for consistent scene creation. While it isn't flawless, it is efficient and accessible, requiring no advanced professional skills to execute effectively. If you're finding it a bit difficult to generate images this way, I have a simple suggestion for you. The Higgsfield apps are perfect for this. Just navigate to the Apps section, where you'll find tons of different tools for various needs. We're looking for the What's Next. Once you click on it, all you have to do is upload your base image. I used a photo of my Ferrari Roma and asked the AI to generate more images based on it. After that, you just wait for it to work its magic. The results are ready, providing 8 additional images based on your initial input. Output quality scales directly with input quality. These assets can serve as references or be animated using our previous workflow. Furthermore, the tool includes advanced controls for angle adjustments, image enhancement, and AI restyling, making it an ideal solution for this project. This concludes our tutorial. Higgsfield remains a leader in AI model development, providing industry-leading pricing and discounted yearly plans for early adopters. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. I hope these tips help you level up your ad creation game. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you all, I'm Kai, and I'll see you in the next one.